Hello guys, welcome to Filmora Complete Guide. This is Henry. I know there are many guides and tutorials out there, and I don't want to just make another instruction manual for you like many of them. What I have is real hands-on experience making hundreds of videos for YouTube channel called Filmora MVP, which I grew to 190k followers from scratch within 2 years. So I've been through a lot of unexpected success as well as giant fails in which I've learned a lot to share with you. So I believe the best way for me to organize this course is to make it a step-by-step tutorial on how to create awesome videos using key features in Filmora 9. And I also believe that after 18 lessons in this course, you are going to make significant progress in video editing, because I'm not just going to show you where to find those features, but also I will use a lot of real examples and actionable tips to show you how to make the best out of each feature. So if you are ready, let's start the journey. If you are a Mac user, press Command and I. Project file you saved on a Windows PC can be opened on a Mac. So usually I would save as an MP4 format because it is one of the most widely used formats. Altering the color of your video can help you convey a mood and emotion, which usually can be done with natural lights and environments. I would recommend recoloring your video at the beginning of your editing. I mean, right after you drag your clips to the timeline, and you'll find numerous colors from famous movies like Batman, 007, or even The Walking Dead. For professionals, video editing doesn't begin with the import of video clips to the timeline. It begins before the shoot of video. Now, you see, Filmora has automatically detected different scenes and split the footage into pieces. And next, I'm going to show you 2 tips to edit video like a pro, even if you are a beginner. If the length of your video and the transit of your video are consistent with the meters of your music, your video will be very compelling. For this clip, I applied 3 tricks to make it more engaging. Jump cuts. And in this case, I won't need to worry about the black bar anymore. We can turn a still image into a dynamic video. Alright, let's play the preview. You've probably heard that great audio and music is vital to your video. You can change the pitch of your video without affecting the speed of your video, and I choose to remove background noise at strong degree. And it turned out that part of my voice was erased. It looks a little bit complicated, but it's quite simple. My first suggestion for you will be to preview all of them and save those transitions you are most likely to use to favorite. Remember, the audience visual focus is most likely on a moving object and moving direction. So it makes the audience think the items worth noticing, and the horizontal direction conveys a message that both of them are equally important. In other words, it serves as a chapter here, conveying a message that the video after this transition is going to be a lot different. But each time we consider in fact, we need to be aware of our purpose. So what we create is an optimal watching experience. So if you do tutorial videos, your chapters can be step 1, step 2, step 3. If your video tells an epic story or a sentimental story, you can try subtitle 15 with the fading effects. If you look for something not too mainstream, you can try this kind of credit while showing some interesting bloopers. Your chapters can be step 1, step 3, step